Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel Simple Art Ideas, and in today's video I am going to use these two colors, the Faber-Castell pencil colors. This is also a very good one. I like it. This is oil pastel 50 shades, camel oil pastel 50 shades, and some of my friends have requested me to make a video comparing both these colors like oil pastel and pencil colors, what the effect is and what is good, what is better, what is hard the effect is. So that's what I am doing today. So it's gonna be a very simple tutorial, like just few sketches. And this is November, we are getting ready for Christmas, so I am going to make sketches of Christmas tree and Christmas ornaments. So let's see what the effect is. And I already have the review video about these colors, like this oil pastel and this pencil color, so you can go and check those two links. And also I am putting the links in my description, so you can go and check the videos, so you can have a better idea of what the effect is, how to use it. And that's what I'm going to do today. So let's see how I'm using this, and what do you like the most. So watch the video till the end so you can have a better idea of these colors. Okay. So now we can see that both the colors are good, actually very good, and depends on what type of painting, what type of sketch, or what type of doodling. Yeah, this is not for doodling actually, but it's okay if you can use in doodling also. um, Whatever you are doing, it depends on what thing you are doing. So my preference is pencil color. I like pencil colors more than oil pastel. But you know, oil pastel is very good in the sense that it is blended perfectly and easily, more easily. Even without a tissue or a cloth or anything, you can blend it perfectly. If it is good oil pastel, the colors are merged and they are mixed up with each other very well, and it's that's why it is easier for coloring. But you can't do very detailed works in this. Like if you are drawing a sketch, like the eyes and lips and all these things, or the detailing on the dress, or the detailing on the center part of a flowers, you can do that much detailed work with oil pastels. On the other hand, the pencil color is good, but the effect will be like very light, and to merge the color you need to put more pressure on that. You have to work harder to make the color mix up with each other. But you can do more detailed works in it. If you are doing working on something that needs some detail works, then pencil color is perfect. And also the one I'm using, this is watercolor based pencil color, so I can use water in that, but for this video I'm not using water right now, and I'm using it just like any other pencil colors, just the pencil color. Okay. And so um, here what I'm doing is a very simple sketch, and both the colors are perfect for this, as you can see. And it's not like one is good, one is less good or something like that. It just depends on your preference. You see. And one thing I must say, thank you so much for your good suggestion of comparing these two colors. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you can see all the videos in the very first few minutes of when it is published. And also please like my video and share it with your friends who are equally art lovers. And tell me any other ideas, any other suggestions related to art videos. If you have, put it in the comment section and I'll do it for you. I'm happy to do it for you. And okay, so this is all for today's video. We are going to meet very soon with some new ideas, new videos. So okay, please subscribe to my channel once again, I am telling. And have a good day. Bye bye.